So on the W4500nex, you don't have to take, to replace the SD card, you don't have to take the top or sides or anything off. All you have to do is push the bottom of the drive mechanism out, and you can do that with a little screwdriver by just going in this little hole right here and just lifting up and pull with your fingers at the same time, and they'll just come out. You're not going to hurt anything. Just pull it out, and then you just take the little plastic pieces off. There's a little trim right there, a trim right there, and then each corner, two on the top. And you can just lift it up, and down in there is where your SD card is. I already stuck a new one in there. It's right above that ribbon cable that goes up and back in, down inside, right below where the SD slot is inside when you flip it down. It's right underneath there, just covered by plastic. You could even cheat and just cut that plastic underneath where the SD card goes and get to it that way if you really wanted to, but you might damage that other cable. But this is super easy. It took a few minutes. You just pop the panel back on, push it back in, plug it in, and you should be good to go.